here on the way to work. It's roughly 5:10 in the morning. Gotta get some kind of caffeine. Didn't sleep very good last night. Up to like, I don't know, maybe 11. Got up at 4:30 to shower. But yeah, the drive to work's pretty nice. No traffic, it's dark. Took the rabbit truck today. It's a little cold, but it's alright. Gonna get some coffee or Red Bull, something, and head to work. Well, got Red Bull and a muffin for breakfast. It's camera doesn't do it justice, but it's a little bit brighter than it was. Not nearly as dark, but it's about 5:20 and we're on our way to work now. And I'm actually surprised because the last 2 weeks I haven't seen one car on this road in the morning. But today there's a semi-truck and 2 cars in front of me. Pretty crazy. It's really foggy right here. But I will see you guys when I get to work. Alright, so at work, quite a bit lighter outside now. Now you know your shit's low when the door is basically on the ground. Like damn. But we're gonna go down to the gate and I'm gonna edit the video I filmed yesterday so I can upload that. Hopefully it'll upload today. I don't know. We'll see. I have shitty Wi-Fi in my house because we're in the middle of nowhere. But we will see. Yeah. This is the school I work at. I'm a security guard. It's pretty chill. We're on summer break right now, so. Alright. We're off. I just gotta go up and clock out and get the fuck out of here. Gotta drop this off. At Erin's work because I'm gonna sell her car. So I will see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I'm home. I'm just cleaning the trunk in Erin's car. Stocking this door. Getting Arizona tea. Gotta take my shift knob off before dude gets here because can't give that away, but hopefully he takes it home. And she can buy that. But we will see. Alright, so my Dragon Laminates yellow headlight tint came. And I do have to say, this stuff was amazing. And they were awesome. I went on their website and I told them what I wanted because I wasn't sure because they had 3 different colors of yellow. But this one, look at that. Some yellow stuff. Compared to other things I've purchased where it's green or kind of a amber yellow. This is yellow. I'm extremely hyped on it. I ordered it on Friday night, so it didn't even go in until Monday. It's Tuesday. And I got that. So when Erin gets home, I need to throw it on the headlight. So I might put my amber blinkers back on. We'll see how it looks when I put it on. But I have a guy who said he wants to come look at this car. He finally texted me. He said 4 or 5, and it is almost 6. And he said that he wants to come look at it still, so. It looked like he said he was in Oregon, and that's like a 4-hour drive, so. When you could buy one anywhere. I mean, granted, this is a carrot, and it's not all that common, but 4 hours is a long drive. Today we're working on the Uchi. My dragon laminates came in, so I'm gonna wrap my headlights. Going out here to grab a screwdriver so I can take the headlights out. They're good. Should be pretty easy. I'd wrap them in here, but it's hot as fuck. I'm not trying to drive heat exhaustion in here. Where'd you go? But babe's here to help me today. She's not at work. She got off on time today. Bro dog that was coming to buy this hasn't come yet. He's in Oregon. I doubt he's gonna come. But yeah, so there's 4 screws on each headlight. I'm gonna pop them out. So there's 4 screws. Pop these bad mamma jammas out. What sucks is these headlights are glass. They have the anti-shatter nipple things, so it won't ever look perfect when you wrap them. I mean, you can get them pretty damn close, but
Can you say nipples?
they won't look very good. You could put nipples on Instagram if you're wearing a net shirt over it. I think you're good on YouTube if you say
No,
nipples.
now you can show actual nipples.
That's hard. Instagram, family friendly.
No, that's what people do. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's
Now you
good.
just pop this piece of shit little plastic thing out. There's that. Two more screws, I'm pretty sure. Oh, or one. And Bob's your uncle. There's your headlight. They're really dirty and gross. So I'm gonna go wash this. Alright, so you clean off your sick ass halogen headlight. That is pretty sure that's OEM. That worked alright. After you're done cleaning it off, you get your vinyl wrap ready. I guess a lot of people do it different ways. I don't like using soap and water because I think it makes it less sticky. When I did the ones on my E34, the first time they all just peeled off after I did soap and water, so I probably won't ever do that again. But picked up this nice yellow. I think it's gonna look pretty good. But I forgot to grab a knife. So now I'm gonna have to grab a knife and stop this video again. It's alright. It probably makes it shorter. Now that first one was really long, but I felt like it had a lot of information in it. I'll be back. Alright, so once you have some kind of cutting tool, I have this sweet knife that Aaron got me years ago now that I really love. It works really well with the vinyl wrap. The X-Acto knife is better because it's an X-Acto knife, but I don't know where any of mine went, so I'm gonna use a regular knife. Nice and sketchy. Alright, so now take your headlight, put it in your lap. Hey, Quiet on set. Quiet on set. That's my brother. He drives that other E34 over there. And that F10 that doesn't run. Tell me that I don't know about it. Daily driver right here. 4 years later, and that one didn't do it either. Maybe this one has 2 screws. Maybe that side was broken. Who fucking knows? God, that was my finger.
Don't say fucking on the radio.
Yeah, I'll say fucking if I want to say fucking. Oh no, I think this one just had 2 screws holding it. That's probably how it's supposed to be. Yeah, see, this one's got 2 screw holders and that one only has 1. Jam my hand in.
Want me to do it?
You know what? I'm just gonna fucking hook it up. I don't even give a heck.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Okay, so tell me how a glass headlight is rusted. There's no metal right there, that's all glass. Pretty sure even this is glass. Why is it rusted? I didn't know rust could glass.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be back when I clean it. All right, so the rust actually came off.
Wow.
Didn't think that rust could glass. Or that it would come off. They said that was way nicer than the other one. Look how nice that looks.
Wow.
Right. So now you're going to do the same thing on that side. But now I kind of know what size I need to cut. So I don't know if I'm going to need your help or not. Sick. And if you guys are looking for yellow vinyl wrap, Dragon Laminates, Le Mans yellow, this is the shit. This is the nicest yellow wrap I've gotten, and I've bought in like 8 different kinds, because Noah's were, mine are on that, but they were before that as well. These were at one point, but they didn't look this good.
Mine were at one point.
Aaron's were, but this stuff right here is the shit. My dad probably just ruined that one by calling me and it shut the video off, so I don't know what he saw. His window regulator just broke in his 540, so I'm gonna open a shop so that he can bring it in here and try and fix it. So yeah. Trapped. Oh, hey, thanks. All right, back to what we were doing. These spider webs. Yeah, those are Noah's car. It's a carbon fiber hood, though. All right, back to this. So if my lovely assistant wouldn't mind taking the camera, put this on there. My belly. Wow. I'm telling you, having big hands and trying to do vinyl wrap shit sucks. Got the right size though. Right. I'm gonna sit back down so I can do this. Make sure I get all the shit off the lens with my stomach. I'll probably put more shit on it in reality. Oh no, those weird wrinkles are in the glass. Weird. I don't like using tools because I feel like it scratches the vinyl, because that's how it came out on when my headlights were purple. That's how they came out. Well, it scratches and shit, and it looked like shit, and I really didn't like how it looked. So I just always done it by hand because my hands never scratched it. And you guys will probably tell me, oh, I'm doing this wrong, oh, I'm doing that wrong. But you know what? I don't give a heck. Because I'm the one doing this out here. I'm not paying no one to do this. I'm not asking for help besides someone holding the camera. I don't know how to vinyl wrap. I just put vinyl wrap on stuff. I feel like I can vinyl wrap pretty good. Not to toot my own horn or anything. Well, there's bubbles, but from the side you can't tell. It's only when it's straight on. Slice the nipples.
So how are you doing it?
So the knife is sharp enough that you can just put it on the glass and rotate it. So say like an avocado, you're gonna put it on there and spin it around the seed.
Mm-hmm.
You're just gonna spin the knife around the nipple. And so then when you go to push the air out, the wrap separates around the nipple, which will only leave, like, you might get an air bubble. Like this one I'll probably have a little bit because I didn't get that one very far down. But like if you go and look at those ones, there's not much of a bubble around the nipple. It does leave a bit of clear, which kind of sucks, but I don't think there's
You can't even tell on this.
I don't think there's another way you can go around it. I think you have to do it like that.
You have to cut the nipple.
Always cut the nipple, guys. Guys.
Guys.
You always gotta cut the nipple. I didn't want to push that down. That was not bad. Looking good enough, right? Except for that big ass air bubble.
Send it.
I mean, it's gonna be behind a grill thing anyways. It's not like it really matters. You're not gonna see any of the blemishes. Which is why I'm just kind of not giving a heck.
I don't give a heck.
We'll see how it looks when it's all done. I'm gonna cut that because it's just pissing me off. Can't work with it when it's that long.
That's what she said.
Oh.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Yeah, don't cut towards yourself or on yourself. It's kind of scary. Like that, when it doesn't want to go in. You just gotta
That's what he said.
fucking send it sometimes. But if I cut myself, I cut myself. I'll only pass out. That's the only
You
thing.
gotta be about it.
You're either about it or you're not about it.
And you gotta be about it.
Gotta be about it. Ask me how I know.
Are you about it?
I'm about it. You see how low this truck is and I daily drive it? You see those control lines down there? Or not from the side, but from the front. You see those control lines? They're only about a ½ inch off the ground. You're either about it or you ain't about it. Bags are for pussies. Unless it's like...
Don't talk shit, because now I got a car that's bagged, so.
True, but static shit is way cooler. I don't care who you are. Static shit's cool.
Because I know dudes that have rabbit trucks that are bags that aren't lower than mine. You gotta be about it. You just have to be about it. Same with your vinyl wraps.
But no shade though, I also like bags, so.
No, I like bags, and Nick and Tyler both have bags, and Isaac probably will put bags on the 740, but everything I own static.
You're just that guy, you're about it.
I'm that guy. Dad's here.
Gonna get him home. I thought it was full enough.
He's got that 03 E39 540M Sport. Pretty sick. I'm gonna try and document what he's gonna do to it in the future. I'm not gonna say what he's doing to the future in the future,
Cause it's a surprise.
but it's gonna be fucking sick. There's more air bubbles than I'd like, but I don't think you'll be able to see when it's on the truck. So that's all back in. There's a wrinkle right here which I don't really like, but you can't really see it, and then the nipples bubbled a little more than I wanted to, but I'm kind of over it. There's a spider crawling on my leg. Don't like spiders. But this should look pretty good, even with the clear blinkers.
It's broken.
That's alright. It's in there though. Can't even see that one. Alright. Those are done. Down yonder, you gotta be about it. That's the low band. Gotta be about it. Alright. Started the truck up so I can see how yellow these lights are. See if I'm getting pulled over or not. Oh, the sunlights are so annoying. So that's my markers and the headlights. Oh fuck, you can't tell on camera, they're yellow as fuck. I'm totally getting pulled over, but fuck, they look so good. Oh yeah. Alright, time to park this. I'll give you guys a little sound here when you're pulling in my parking spot. Oh, it didn't beach itself that time. It did hit the ground and I heard it. But yeah, that's the yellow headlights. Thanks for watching.